2 years ago, I built my very first gaming PC, and I think that it's finally time for an upgrade. Today, I got a brand new motherboard, CPU, and RAM, and it gets so much better. It's amazing! So let's get right into it. Boom! Right here, look at that. The MSI Pro Z790A Max Wi-Fi. This is going to be an incredible motherboard, and I can't wait to see what it'll do. Next is the CPU, the Intel Core i5 14th Gen. Now this is really incredible. It's the 14600K. I'm so excited to see what this can do. And finally, the RAM. This is Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM. It is going to be so good. This is 32 gigabytes. So let's open this up. Whoa. Looks very cool. This is the MSI Pro series, so it of course has to look cool. I am so excited to see what this can do. Oh, look at that. We have the RGB light strip on the top. And this looks really clean. Really nice design here. Time for the big one, the CPU. Let me just open this up. Isn't that crazy? Look how small that thing is. Like, wow. This is gonna be so fast and so incredible. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've disassembled the entire original PC, and it's time to put some of the new parts in. So let's start with this motherboard. It's time to put in the chip. And I'm very excited, but also very scared, because this is one of the most important parts of the PC and the main part of this upgrade. So, let's install it. This whole thing is so much cleaner, and all these cables, so nice. They all go straight to where they're supposed to be. There's really not much of a mess at all, and honestly, before it was pretty messy. So let's put in the RAM. It's all ready to go. Let's fire it up. Oh, it's going! Oh, it's going! The microphone's on. The RAM's on. It's on. It's working. It's saved everything. Oh yeah, let's go guys. Now my PC runs so smooth that I can crank up the resolution in FPS way more than I would ever need, and it's running super smoothly. So, absolute win.